Welcome to Always Dolls. This is Sarah and thanks for joining me. Today we have a bonus DIY showing you how to make an island bench and bar stools that complement American Girl's new Gourmet Kitchen. Now your dolls will have more space to whip up amazing meals and delicious treats. The island bench provides additional storage space in the drawer and below the counter. We also share a quick and simple furniture makeover to create your own pedestal table and bucket chairs similar to AG's newly released items. Our dolls are preparing for company, so let's get making! For this craft, we are using foam board. First, cut the countertop from thick 10mm foam board. Curve the corners at the front, then cover with marble contact paper. Cut 2 rectangles for the shelves. Remove notches from each corner, then cover with wood grain contact paper. However, you can customize the finish using scrapbook paper or paint. For bench legs, adhere strips of thick foam board together to make them stronger. Cut to size, then cover with your contact paper. Measure and mark each leg 5 cm from the bottom. Hot glue your leg pieces into the notches you cut earlier. From 10mm foam board, cut the back and side walls. Adhere the pieces together as seen on screen, then cover the outer, visible areas with wood grain contact paper. Glue the walls to your second shelf, aligning the pieces flush with the back edge. Now we can slot the shelf into place, checking that the walls are even with the tops of your leg pieces. Make a drawer from 5mm foam board. We used up scraps from our DIY kitchen project. It's optional, but you can add dividing walls inside the drawer before closing up the box with the drawer front piece. Ours is covered with matching wood grain contact, but you can switch it up for a two-tone effect. Slide your drawer into the recessed area, then affix the countertop. The counter is designed to give you 5 cm of overhang for bar stools. Today, we will refurbish the DIY stools from our local bean coffee shop craft. We separated the seats and covered the foam board with black felt, but you can opt to use a fabric or paint colour of your choice. The legs are spray painted gold to match the hardware in AG's kitchen. Pop the legs back into their slots underneath the seat, applying drops of hot glue to secure the bond. The stools nest under the countertop, enhancing the play value of this piece. Here we have our generations table for 2 and are giving it a super quick makeover. Trace the top onto foam board or cardboard to cut out a matching circle. Paint the pedestal leg gold, then affix the tabletop to your foam board circle. Our circle is already placed on a sheet of marble contact paper. Trim away the excess, cut slits, then wrap the contact around the table lip, adhering to the underside. It's a simple hack and looks great. For seating, you can make cute shellback chairs following our DIY. Click the link top right or look in the description box. With the addition of an island bench, stools and kitchen table, our little set is complete. Now the dolls can host family and friends for gourmet meals or yummy party cake. Like and subscribe to our channel to support our DIYs. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!